Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Jingïarap hakaban kintiyo ikinong Sumar Dawai Kynbat ka senior scientist yang ka Bioresources Development Center Shillong ka kong Juni Per Lingdo minha ka khatsautrik unok pra arhajar arpuar habakran bet kila patah kubor kalaya thu baka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah ka Sarkar Jilla haringkat ka Bioresources Development Center kin sedang ye ki klinik lani gi Jaka Sumar ha keleng ka Meghalaya ka bakin khot ka Meghalaya Traditional Healing Clinic. Kakong Juni kalaya thuru baka jing pentrai kami kini ki Jaka ai jing Sumar kila sedang banyat cakmat ban andala deplut ki kam ki jam baro ki bri ki bashitom kila la banit pha Sumar. Kakong Juni kalaya thu bakinong Sumar ki baju Sumar ki bri daki Dawai Kynbat kila trai borba khamtam shigi than nyong kendong ha ki yeng ki samla jong. Khanang ban la ban ai ka jing Sumar ki bri ki basha kinu ki than klem da kandu ki jing e Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah kan sedang menpentrai kamno ya kini ki klinik. Syuk ko kong Juni kala ongru be ya ki klinik mentashipor in bu shwa hanong stan bat Haribhoi district kata hanong po balasham snam kin sedang menpentrai kam shakiwei pat ki district ru kumju.
With Dr. Jingïarap IS, he's the Secretary Planning Department, also of Health Department, and also the Member Secretary of Bioresources Development Center. So together we had come up with this plan of how to help promote the traditional healing system in the state, which is very if you look around all over across the state, you will find that there are a lot of traditional healers, and they have been rendering a lot of services to the people of the state. And in fact, they have been giving the primary health care services to the people at the village level, where access to modern healthcare facilities is difficult because of the difficult terrain and all that. So we have been working along with the traditional healers for quite a number of years, and we had come up with this concept that we help promote them. So we have come up with the concept of creating a clinic which will be like standardized across the state. It will be called as the Meghalaya Traditional Healing Clinic, and we have started the setting up the construction. In fact, it will be like a small like an OPD where people can come and get the access to their healthcare services. In fact, what is happening is the traditional healers have been providing their services mostly in the local market days. Or if you look at Shillong, we have these more progressive traditional healers where they have set up their own clinics in and around Shillong. But at the district level, they still practice in their own homes. They still go during the market days. So this concept of coming up with a clinic where a group of traditional healers join together and provide the service to the people at a single place. A lot of publicity will be there, so that people, instead of going to the far-flung villages, they can come and to these clinics where healers will be there. So it will be like, in Meghalaya we have these very strong traditional healers associations, which Brdc had also helped to facilitate for them to come together as an association. So we have in Ribhoi, we have the Ribhoi Traditional Healers Association. If we speak of Garo Hills, we have the Meghalaya Samajik Association. Similarly, in Jaintia Hills, they have the Jaintia Indigenous Medicine Association. So these are a group of healers who have come together from Jaintia Hills, from West Khasi Hills, and the East Khasi Hills. In fact, we have the Healers Association called as the Nong Ai Dawai Khasi Nilla. So they have come together, and they have willingly together with Brdc, we have agreed to set up this. So Brdc is facilitating this setting up of this clinic, but it will be totally managed by the traditional healers. We are setting up at Nongstoy and at Ribhoi district in Nongpo. So eventually next year we will start with the other district also. The certification process is, of course, Brdc has been tying up with the Quality Council of India to get the traditional healers certified under the voluntary certification scheme for traditional healthcare practitioners. So that we have been tying up with the Northeast Christian University in Nagaland with Dr. Kathing, and the healers have to apply, and there are some fees they have to pay for a particular, if they want to get certification, say for so a traditional birth attendant wants to get a certification, so she will get a she'll be certified for that particular ailment, or if it's for treating common ailments, or if it's for bone fracture. So these are what they are going to be certified on. However, in Meghalaya, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council has come up with the Khasi Hills Khasi Traditional Medicine Act. So under this act, we have healers who have been recognized, who have registered with the Traditional Khasi Medicine Commission, and they have been given a certificate of registration. Okay, so it is that certificate itself gives a validity for them being a traditional healer. So I think this needs to be taken up probably at Jingïarap Hills, the Jingïarap Hills District, this thing, EJHADC, and the Garo Hills District Council also. So if they can also take up, then it would be, uniformity for the traditional healers being recognized by the district councils. At Brdc, we are also right now we are documenting the traditional medicine, the traditional medicinal knowledge of the healers, and hopefully that we are also having a partnership with other departments, institutions, especially in across India, from other parts of India. Like we have the Indian Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, which is also in Shillong, and its headquarters in Imphal, and Institute of Life Sciences, then the Society for Ethnopharmacology. We are, in fact, at Brdc, what we are doing right now is we are re-documenting the traditional knowledge, and hopefully we'll be able to validate the traditional medicinal knowledge that the healers have. Eventually, hoping that the traditional healers with the knowledge they will be able to patent their herbal formulations. So that is what we are striving for.